Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or welcome if you're new here. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone jobs. You don't want to be on the phone all day, don't want to be doing customer service. So that is what I have in today's video. I have 5 jobs. All of them are basically non-phone. One is even answering emails from home with a little bit of a website live chat. One is just reviewing tasks, verifying that they were done correctly. We've got some data entry. We've got hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. This first one is even hiring worldwide. I know most of the jobs I share are for the United States because that is my expertise. But if I ever come across things that are worldwide, I will share them. So of course, we are going to dive all in. The links and timestamps are in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give me that direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. And of course, I never make any promises, but if you have something specific that you're looking for, leave that down in the comments and I will do my best to keep an eye out for it when I am searching for job leads to share. Now, first up today, we have the company Invisible Technologies. This is like an AI-based data type company. I have shared them in the past on this channel. They have 245 reviews from current and past employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. And on my website, all of these Glassdoor pages and application pages are linked if you want to come read reviews and actually read what people are saying about the company. But Invisible Technologies is looking for a quality analyst for their AI enablement or artificial intelligence. They are looking for worldwide remote work from home. They're really looking for somebody who is interested and intrigued by like AI and machine learning and somebody who wants to make an impact in the new digital AI space. You will be specifically reviewing completed tasks to make sure that they are high quality and adherence to the latest campaign instructions. So you'll have to stay up to date on the latest instructions by attending meetings, watching recording videos, and maintaining active engagement on Slack, so typing, non-phone. So you'll have to be able to articulate issues and errors that you found on the completed task. So you're really bridging the gap between the agent task quality and the campaign and the expectations through critical and constructive feedback and communication. So you are checking these tasks that have been done, and then you're grading the quality of them and just giving that feedback to the agent. You'll actively ask questions and engage in discussions on your team about how to resolve any blockers or quality process issues. So this is basically a lot of data and AI checking. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They want somebody who has very strong attention to detail, somebody who has great communication and interpersonal skills, someone who has a high level of the English language, you have great grammar, syntax, and spelling, and somebody who is comfortable learning new softwares and tools. This is going to be more for somebody who is a fast typer. Pay starts at $21 an hour. Of course, pay is going to be based on location and experience. Keeping it moving, if AI data quality checking is not your thing, that's okay. Next up, we have the company Muck Rack. Now, Muck Rack has been shared on this channel before. Also, they hire for a lot of remote work from home positions. They have 107 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating coming in quite high at 4.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a revenue specialist for their customer success operations division. So as a revenue specialist, you are basically monitoring and reporting on key performance indicators of the customer service and customer success teams, making sure that the operational efficiency is running smoothly. So you're going to collaborate with different teams in the workplace, like the sales team, the marketing team, the product team, making sure that the customer has a cohesive experience. So you're managing the administrative tasks related to customer accounts, such as CRMs, CSP cleanup, risk mitigation, vendor management. You're going to make sure that all data across all customer accounts is accurate at all times. You might have to reach out to owners as needed to adjust if you find errors, but other than that, this is mainly going to be non-phone, looking at data in the system, identifying opportunities for process improvement, just utilizing your knowledge of customer service methodologies to tech stack tools and create automated solutions for the customer service team. So you're really looking at reporting and looking at what you can do to automate tasks for the customer service team. You are not actually answering calls all the time. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 2 to 4 years of professional experience. They want somebody who really has software as a service environment, someone who's worked with tech and software before, someone who's a strong understanding of customer service principles and practices, great communication skills, great organizational skills, and somebody who can be a team player. Pay is very high for this one, though. It is anywhere from $61,000 a year up to $74,000 a year. No college degree is needed. Now, this next position is going to be a freelance position, but it pays pretty well and it's pretty cool. So I just thought I would share. IXL Learning, they are a platform that schools use, K through 12 schools use, to basically have their reading and math work online on an online platform rather than having textbooks and papers that you have to do for homework and turn back in. Your problems are on the computer and it can teach you and walk you through how to do the problem, and then it can also tell you if you got the answer right or wrong. So it's basically like an online teacher type platform. They have 394 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a math video creator for high school math. Now, then, this is going to be a freelance position, but what you'll be doing is basically just recording yourself, creating short instructional videos targeting individual IXL skills for high school math. They want somebody who is going to focus their videos on pre-calculus and calculus. Most videos will be up to 5 minutes long, so 5-minute long video is like the max. You're going to basically come up with a concept of how to teach what the math problem that you're trying to teach. You're going to shoot or record your video, produce your videos, edit them, and then deliver the final video product to them. Now, the cool thing about this is you get $400 upon delivery of each completed video, and each video is only 5 minutes long. Now, you're going to take a longer time than 5 minutes to shoot the video, edit it, and all the things like that, but $400 per every 5-minute video. So if you are good with math, this is a great little side hustle. They are looking for somebody who has experience teaching or tutoring, specifically high school math, somebody who has experience recording, editing, producing videos, somebody who has the ability to present the material in an engaging and effective manner, so in a way that people could understand it. And so you have to understand age-appropriate vocabulary. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree, but a degree is not required. Education is not required as long as you have the knowledge of the math skills you're trying to teach. Now, if you're looking to respond to emails and maybe some website live chat, do a little bit of customer service but not talk to people on the phone, AnyRoad might be for you. They only have 26 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, so not a whole lot of reviews to gauge from. So please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those few reviews, though, they have a high rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a customer service experience agent. This is remote for the United States. This is going to be like a contract 1099 position. They're looking for somebody to specifically work 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Some weekends will be required, but you're basically responding to those customer inquiries and escalations through the website live chat and answering those emails. You'll process requests that come in from the customers in a timely and communicative manner, turning challenges into opportunities, just making sure that you take the toughest interactions and make sure the customer ends on a positive note. So you're really going to be the advocate and the voice for the customer. You're going to use tools like Salesforce, Slack, Zendesk, so completely non-phone customer service. Now, AnyRoad is a marketing startup. They have investment firms that are backing them right now. So you will be answering questions in the marketing space. But they're only looking for somebody who has 1 year of experience in customer service, great communication skills. So along with those great communication skills comes great people skills. You've got to be organized and be able to manage your time. And of course, you've got to have great computer skills, being able to multitask and use different computer software situations or software applications. But no college degree is needed. And sadly, unfortunately, they did not list the pay, and I tried to find pay on Glassdoor. Glassdoor has a whole salary section, and customer service was not anything listed. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And then next up, we have KnowBe4. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an order processor, administrative assistant, data entry specialist. This is remote for the United States. So basically doing all the administrative work when it comes to order processing. You're going to be responsible for reviewing every invoice for accuracy and quality and processing every purchase or order quote on a daily basis. So you're going to review and validate all the paperwork submitted, making sure it's complete and accurate. You'll review the contracts to identify invoicing, special subscription invoicing terms, payments, acceptance terms. You're going to just provide customers with access to the KnowBe4 online console, quality checking their invoices, preparing for those invoices for order management. So you might also have to do some data entry like uploading tax certificates into the system. You'll respond to emails from customers related to access to the console, billing, or any correspondence accordingly. So if you have to communicate with the customers, that's all done through email. You're going to just create these consoles online with customers with child accounts, getting them set up, applying pre-sale payments and invoices to their accounts, just making sure their accounts are completely set up. No college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has experience using computer systems and software, specifically either the Google suite of Gmail and like Google Docs and things like that, Google Sheets, or the Microsoft Office of Word and Excel. They almost work exactly the same. If you know how to use one, you can quickly figure out how to use the other. They do want somebody who has strong communication skills and great time management skills. Now, they don't require you to be able to speak multiple languages, but if you are fluent in multiple languages, they do prefer that and would give you an interview to the top of the line. They pay $17.50 an hour for this position and are accepting applications through May 29th. So you've got just about 30 days to make sure you get that application in. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, as always, feel free to leave anything you're looking for in the comments. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.